Yeah. Okay.
Right, we have Shabs here, Shah's PMP. Congratulations, first
Thank
of
you.
all. Right. So he worked hard to get PMP. We can make out from his hairstyle, he worked hard.
It was really more longer now. I just trimmed it only for the sake of examination so that the proctor exam could realize, like, recognize me. It's me on the passport.
Oh, that's a problem, right? They'll see the picture. Who are you? With a
Like,
pulley
oh,
hair.
okay.
Really
So,
good. Really good. First of all, congratulations from Sri Learning and team. And I know you made a big journey. Also, I know that you work on a shift. When it says
yeah,
shift, you work whole night and you wake up in the morning exhausted, still you continue reading and made it happen.
yeah.
Right. Only advantage is he's a bachelor now. So I think that's an advantage or disadvantage. I don't know.
That's an advantage as of now with this current timing zone.
So yeah, Shab. So point here is a few points from your side of how you manage your time and how you prepared it can help somebody, right? So before that, I'll quickly show your beautiful certificate so that here it goes. Oh man, to get this orange certificate, how hard we had to work.
This main cheese of recognizing or realizing that you have achieved the certificate is a big thing. Once you get that name over there, and after that, the more important thing is once you have cleared the exam and then you wait 48 hours to get the certificate. That's more tense. That's more tense actually. It's like why are they taking 48 hours on that? I
Are
go
they validating me?
go to the dashboard again. You check, okay, what is showing? Still showing the exam date. We have to still wait for it. That was more tension part for me also. Why are they not giving the certificate soon? Because you told that the exam results are there on screen. Then after that, I got to know it takes like
Yeah,
almost
they
8
take
hours
them.
to.
See, for you, at least one day. There was one candidate took 10 days to come. That
So
guy didn't sleep all 10 days.
that's actually a different feeling altogether. Why are they not giving it again? Because I got into the other mode key, okay, whether the proctor exam is like he wants to check the background, he's checking the mic levels and all, and everything was cool over there.
Good, man. Good, good. Congratulations. Okay, give some points. All things went on from your side.
Yeah, so I've noted down some points for how I've prepared for myself for the exam. The main and foremost thing is the lesson plan which you have provided me with. So you had given me a customized lesson plan. I give you the number of days, and then it has the entire structure. So I go along with the flow, even though if you say that a particular project management technique needs 10 days. So I don't specifically see it for 10 days. I take 12, 15 days. Like I
Right.
had the liberty of extending the time zone. So I could prepare ahead. I could exceed the time, and then I had preparation also, and then I had a focused mindset. Okay, this particular month I'll be giving the exam at that moment. So the lesson plan was the main base for me, like how to study and how to go with the flow. And after the lesson plan, every concept I had taken from Rita, then had first PMP, and your book, your own Shriyam book, and the process chart, which you have told me every day to note it down. That's the main thing where I could get the flow and exact structure where I could connect it with. And then after that, and as I told you, study plan was as the base, and then almost 95, 97% of the questions were all situation based for me. I could find very rarely numericals where I got only one numerical for CPI and
Oh,
SPI. And
okay.
apart from that, nothing. Everything was situational based, and
Hmm.
where I had to put myself into that, like onto that situation and think that what is the next process or what decision I
Hmm.
would take. And
Hmm.
with the concepts,
When you say situation, was it pretty tough situations they're giving, or it's only two line where they put a situation, or in a big paragraph they explain all the situation?
no, it was pretty straightforward. It was not
Straight.
like a very big this thing where it's like complicated. It's a pretty straightforward. Like you have a shortage of staff.
Uh,
Simple.
uh,
A shortage of
uh,
staff. What would you
got,
do? Would you
got,
go to your project sponsor or the
got
other
you.
aspects as well?
So ideally, they put you on a spot to see what would be a next immediate step.
Yes, they really put you in a spot where they take your input as a real time. It's
Okay.
not like an exam. It's like taking out a real
Interview.
time thing of what you would react on to that situation.
Okay.
So based on the
Got you.
process and based on the base which we have as the learning, I I have to just go into that mode of thinking, okay, in this situation, I would do this.
Got you.
So all the concepts help in that way to answer those situation based questions.
Mm.
And then after that, I had studied I finished Gita, all the questions given in that book. And then after that, Prepcast helped me a lot. The main thing, most of the exams, this is not the only exam, whatever exam I attempt, I make sure mock test is the most important thing for me. I do the max number of possibles in that. I search online. I search anything which is free or anything which is like paid and which is more economical. I do it in that way. So in this, Prepkash was the main thing. Rita had questions for me. Your book also had questions for me. I had a register for some site which was giving me 2 3 questions in a day, random questions. So those questions helped me a lot as well. And then in mock exams, head first 200 questions, and then PMP free mock twice. I have done it. Prepcast all 8 mocks. Again, whenever I have a wrong answer or even a right answer, and if I don't understand that concept, because when I was doing the mock test, few of the answers I was giving on my gut feeling, where I didn't get that question right,
Right.
and sometimes I got it right as well. So I would always analyze why it is right, why it is wrong.
Mm.
So that's main thing which you have to go and check.
That's
And
a valuable point, Shabs. I know that. I
yeah,
keep telling that don't evaluate only the wrong, evaluate right also, because sometimes the logic, what we thought,
yeah, yeah.
what book says may not match, but still the answer will be right.
Answer will be right.
This is a
But
jackpot, okay? You don't know, but we'll assume that we are so good and we'll go to the exam. There it will slap you, right?
that's main thing, that if you know a particular answer very perfectly, it's fine. But if
Mm.
you're like a doubt, you have a small doubt on
Mm.
that, and you have done it on a gut feeling, just go and check it
Sure.
once why it is right.
That's valuable input. Mm.
And then mock was the main preparation. I started scoring 60% first, 60 percentile, and then after that slowly got on to 70s. I was on somewhere around 74, 75. Then I was like, let me give it a shot. And that way it was. I found actually PMP exam easier than Prepcast. I don't know. Most of the people find Prepcast tougher.
Tougher.
Right. And then sorry, people find Prepcast tougher, but I found actually PMP easy also. That's the best thing which I
Yep,
found.
yep. Now, because of the number of questions you practiced, and also one point you mentioned, you put yourself in the spot of that situation answering it.
Yeah.
Because that's a area people struggle hard where they cannot place them there, right? So, how many years of experience you come with from the industry?
Industry as of today, I'm 6 years. In
Mm.
project management, I have almost 3 years and plus, because I was in automotive field. So it really helped me putting in that
Yes,
situation and thinking on the same aspects. So it
right.
helped me in that way
That
also.
also counts. Okay, even though we have sometimes 18 years of experience, we may not be in the actual project implementation for some time.
Yeah.
So what will happen is your number of years will be high, but your core knowledge will be less. So you will struggle hard. You have 6 years, and then 3 years you're into the core. So definitely would have come across. I remember in the class also you were putting some valuable questions, and you were able to connect it. So that's very
Yeah. So I was in the product based company, and I worked on under the same projects as well. So it helped me a lot in that.
great.
And
Great.
even during the exams, it's not necessary you will you like after attending also so many questions, it's not necessary that you will get the same questions or something related. It's always different.
True.
The only thing is you have to just have that line of thought or the line of process of thinking ki, okay, this is the way you have to think, how you sit in the mock test, the same thing you have to replicate over there.
Good. Good. So how much of time it took to do the first slot of 89 questions?
The first lot I took I think 120
One and
minutes
a half
I took.
hours, 120 hours average. And you took a break after that?
I took a break, and
Okay.
then the second exam started, and then I had an internet connectivity issues. It got disconnected, and then I took almost half an hour to connect back.
Ah, okay.
And luckily, they are not subtracted the time from the
It
main
was
call.
there.
It started from where I left it off.
So how do they know that you lost internet?
They
How do
called
they?
me up. They
Hmm.
called me up, and then they asked me, and then I told them I have internet issues. So please allow me some time. I'll join back in.
Okay.
They said okay, and then I told her specifically, call me back after 5 minutes. They didn't call me back though,
Okay.
but I was trying for almost half an hour, and
Uh-huh.
then it got connected, and then from the point where I stopped, it started from there. But on most of the blogs, I have seen that if you get disconnected, your time goes.
No, here they don't do. PMI is so good on that.
Okay.
But you should stay in control, because if these things happen, your emotions will be
Yeah.
fluctuating.
The thing is, it's showing that there are the three factors, right? The mic, the camera, and the internet connectivity issues. My internet was actually connected. It was really fast.
Okay.
Still, it was showing that issue, and I was taking screenshots of that. I was taking screenshot of the net, speed test net, so that I can show to the PMI. Okay, see, there was an issue with your server. There's nothing on my side.
Okay.
So I was like taking all backups so that even if I want to re-attempt the exam, I have evidence ki, okay, this was the issue. I was not doing anything else apart from that. Right? Okay, I joined back after half an hour. I was like, I was more relaxed after that. Okay, I at least got inside because I was pretty sure about the first 100 questions was like
Yes.
really, it went really well for me. So I didn't wanted to like again re-attempt the exam and then have a
Right.
next date
Right.
again.
So which question it breaked? Where you got the break?
Exactly after the first break which I had, when the
Uh,
exam started, it broke over there.
I think it may be a model of PMI examination on you to see how emotionally balanced you are.
Because there were because there were many questions on the conflict management. I was like, why are they asking me this also? Because that's the reason I told you that most of them were situational based.
I understand. I
Conflict
understand.
management, communication management, stakeholder management was like a lot of questions on that.
Mm,
And conflict also I found a lot.
lot of questions coming up.
How
Okay.
you are going to manage the conflicts between your own team members, even
Got you.
stakeholder issues and all.
Got you. Okay. Okay. So how many hours you read per day on average to prepare?
Uh, the thing is, night shift, I wake up by somewhere around 1 p.m. in the
Mm,
afternoon.
mm.
After that, I have a good, healthy breakfast, or you can say brunch itself.
Brunch. It's not breakfast 1 p.m.
It's brunch only for me. And
Okay.
then, after that, somewhere around, I start by, I give a lot of relaxed time after that, and I take
Mm,
my time and I start
mm,
by
mm,
3 to 6. I'm free completely. There's no disturbance from the office side as well. So
mm.
3 to 6 was my actual time zone where I would study.
Okay.
Sometimes I would take 2 hours and sometimes I would take 3 hours. But I wouldn't exceed after three because nothing was going inside after
Got
that.
you. Got you.
3 to 6 was a very perfect timing for me. And
Mm,
then after that, when I was nearing the exam, I started uh, going early, somewhere around 2 to 6.
mm, mm,
And 2 to 6 was my time factor. I was
mm.
working only around those time zones. And then even I would log in by somewhere around 7. I would log in a bit early also so that I could
Got
sleep
it.
a bit more.
Mm,
And especially during the last 2, 3 days of the exam, sleep is very important.
mm,
I wanted to be really relaxed and normal,
mm.
and it worked for me in that way.
Perfect. Perfect. Great. Good. 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 It's need consistency, right? You have to do every day that effort's happening,
Every
and you
day,
also have a writing habit every day.
the one thing is which I made sure is even if I miss skipping in a day, I would make sure that at least I attempt the mock test. Even if
Uh,
I'm not studying, let's do the mock test and then finish it in small shot and then move on to the next thing.
good. Good. A lot of interesting points. Anything more from your side? Add interesting
Um,
points.
the main thing is just be calm. Take it as a normal exam. Don't hype it during the final exam. Otherwise, because I've seen people getting freaked out at the final examination stage. Do many mock tests, practice mock tests so that you are well familiarized with the flow and how the screen appears. I even Googled like how the screen actually appears so that I
Okay.
just be familiar with how it comes down to me.
And
So how it actually appears. I found a few images and then I could see relate to that.
so how's it look? Blue color? Blue?
Blue color,
Okay.
complete blue. As of now,
One
it's
question at a time.
yeah, one question at a time, and it is pretty basic. It's not like so complicated. Like this thing is popping out. That thing. It's simple, plain.
It's a college student project.
Yeah,
One. Yeah.
single page coding.
If VB6 programming, you'll have one page, you'll have one question at a time. Timer will be running on the top.
Yes, simple, nice interface. It's not
Enough,
complicated.
enough. We don't want all pandas. We want only question. Okay.
And yeah, the mock test is very important. Put
Mm.
yourself into that position. Time yourself. It's not that you take your leisure time of somewhere around 4 to 5 hours and then solve
Right,
the exam.
right.
Time yourself properly. Do it in a proper way. And I feel that mock test is the main factor in
Got it.
clearing the exam.
Got it. Got it. Okay, the last one, if you want to say, which book is good shot for you out of Head First, Rita, Pembroke, which you felt the best?
I would give it to
Tough call,
at
right?
first PMP
Head First?
at first.
Yeah, easy to understand.
Yeah.
Okay, pretty
And
good.
even your book helped a lot. It's
Uh,
not that only these things, it's always a combination of things.
uh,
Your book was precise, on to the point,
mm,
and I don't have to go here and there, here and there. It's like it's in a flow, which
mm.
your book is there in that.
Good, pretty good. So, any food habits has to follow for the exam?
Just eat normal stuff, nothing else in that.
I know it's a bit much, huh?
I will just
Okay,
make
good,
the
good,
exam
good.
just
Yeah.
be full because it takes a lot of energy.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of energy. That's the
See, we can underestimate PMI.
and
PMI,
yeah, your posture is really important in this exam.
uh,
You have to make sure your back is straight and things are all proper because it's a really long exam. People
mm,
just say, okay, just for us, but it takes a lot of time. You have to sit that much of amount of time also on that.
that's why you do practice exams. That too in Proctor and front, you cannot
You can't
lip
move. You
movement.
can't move when you're scared also. Like if you just for the sake, you just see like that and then you look back, you get scared again. Okay, what is this guy thinking on that?
Yeah. Cool, cool. Once again, congratulations on a massive success. I know you have a lot of plans and let all these plans come successful. Would like to see you as a good leader in the long run.
Thank you, Shiv.
As we say that PMP is a stepping stone, PMP is not a final goal. Okay, it has a set a track now, which way you have to run. Now you have to gather more momentum there, and this could lead you to become a good CEO in long run. All right, so that's
Thank you.
very important.
Thanks
Good
for
wishes.
so,
Keep rocking, and thanks for your time on a busy schedule. I know you just caught up and get ready after the night.
problem. Okay.
Cool, man. Thanks a lot.